All right, well, here she is. They've got the brakes done. No power brakes yet, though. So I'm going to test drive it and see what we got here. Oh boy, I hope it works. I hope it's good enough where I can just drive the thing home and then let them find the booster that we need, because the booster didn't work. I had to get a new master cylinder too. Okay, let's see what happens here. Okay, apparently they've been starting it every day, so let's see if that's the case. It's a brake pedal. Okay, it's building up pressure. That's good. Okay. Yeah. Oh, powered up. Gotta get me a radio in this sucker. Chrysler, New Yorker. All right, everybody, you're gonna pray for me here to make sure I don't kill myself, because this thing's gotta be 2 tons probably anyway. All right, I wish I could. Well, I'm gonna try and hold this while I'm driving. Okay. There you go. Okay, here we go. Oh my God. I think I mentioned next I'm gonna get this steering stuff sorted out, but I gotta save up a little bit more money. I don't want to keep using credit cards for this stuff. Okay, here goes. I need to get a webcam or something, I guess. Whoa, shit. Almost ran into that Mustang there. Okay. Oh, yeah, shit. I think this is just fine. Okay, here we go. I got out on the highway. Let's see if we can still stop. Giant potholes here. Whoa. Well, I don't know if this thing's even got any gas in it. Come on, shift gears. It's okay. There we go. Yeah, the steering's still messed up. Okay, just got gas. We're gonna fire this sucker up. Okay, we were going to. That fires up good. It's always a good sign if a car fires up right away. That means things are going pretty well. Okay, so here we go. Ugh. Okay, all right. I'll get back to you guys in a minute. Okay, I am back. I'm very happy with it. I need to put some stuff back on, but they only charged me a total of $1,000. Took some time, but I told them just hang on to it. The problem is trying to find parts for this thing. That is the headache. It's a nightmare. So I'm going to try and take a drive up to the Brown's wrecking yard, which is, I don't know, maybe an hour northwest of Fort Worth, and see what they got, because they told me they have a couple of Chryslers there. So anyway, that's the deal. I'm pretty happy with it. We're going to get a booster, and I told them to start looking for parts for this power steering stuff. I got to get that all done. And I'm going to go ahead and do an alternator on it myself. So, all right, man. Everybody, take it easy. Subscribe, please. And I will see you guys later. Peace.